Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Molly and welcome to another exciting video. Today's video is a classic what's in my bag. I have always seen influencer doing this, but I have never really done it, even though I have plethora of interesting things in my bag. Trust me when I say it, this is one of my favorite category on YouTube to watch. It's just so interesting and it just feels very comforting to see what other people are carrying in their bag. I have my classic bag today, which is this bag, which I bought in 2020, but I've never shown you guys what is in there. So it's basically a tote bag, and you know what happens with this bag? Like, you really have to keep it stuffed. Otherwise, it just loses its structure. When you are carrying such bags, just make sure that you have a lot of things to carry. I'm really excited to show you what I have in this bag. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing that I have over here is my vlogging camera. This is the Canon G7X. I have been using it since 2020. It's been 4 years and I'm still committed to it. The only thing that I don't like about this camera is its battery life. I changed battery for 3 times and this battery is so expensive and it's not really available on Amazon. So I have to go to store and then pick it up, which is obviously a hassle, but I love the camera's quality. It's just one of the classic camera, and in general Canon is my favorite brand. I have started from Canon and I still carry Canon with me. So here we have 3 different small pockets. In one pocket I carried the camera, and the next pocket I do have an applicator, जो कि थोड़ा सा गंदा हो गया है. Don't mind. Carry this applicator on this different compartment. Next I have a passport holder. I have my passport size pictures, credit cards, debit card. Yes, I also do have PAN card. I have my passport over here. I think I went to somewhere where I needed passport. Oh, I went to Aadhaar update, by the way. So that's when I carried my passport. Inside this bag I have small pouch. They don't have compartment in it. So when I used to like stuff my products in it, it used to be so cluttered that I had to like hunt for that particular product. That's when I realized that I need to keep it a little more organized inside the bag. So whenever I'm in a rush and if I'm finding something, I just find it on the go. That's when I started carrying this kind of pouch. Now this is my survival kit and you will know why, because I'm going to show you what I have in it. First is this Digene. I have gas problem. Then I have some band-aids because I wear heels, wedges. I get blisters on a day-to-day basis, so I just need this. I literally have 5. I sometimes even carry 10, 15 because I need it. Then I do have a lipstick. Very basic. This is the Starstruck by Sunny Leone lipstick. It's a very good dark, deep wine shade. Really kind of my vibe. Next I have a small perfume. I carry this perfume everywhere actually. This is one of my favorite perfume for on the go. I carried it in Thailand. I carried it in Malaysia this year. I have been using this ever since 2024 and I still have a long way to go with this. It literally smells like aqua. Then I have a compact powder. The compact powder is not the main thing that I want. Basically the mirror that I want. Compact ke saath mil raha hai, so it's like easy breezy. Then I do have a Dove deodorant. Now if you don't know, this is my favorite deodorant variant of all times. Dove Even Tone helps restore skin tone. Next I have this face wash. It's Organic Harvest 6-in-1 brightening face wash. I just don't like to carry the bigger one because it does not make sense. So the small one. I do have a sanitizer. This became a habit ever since COVID hit. We all know. The last one that I have in it is a lip balm. Dot & Key's Gloss Boss lip balm. This is the Mango Passion variant. I do have Cocoa Mint variant, which I love the most. Moving on to the next product. Of course, I do have camera. For that, I also do carry a tripod. I'm a video creator, so of course I need this. This is basically a miscellaneous vlogging tripod. You can just extend it as much and you will be good to go. You can take your own pictures, you can take your own clips, videos, whatever you want. You don't have to be dependent on someone, which is great for an introvert like me. This one is really good. I will put the link in the description box. Amazon se liya tha maine and it's serving me for the past 3 years. Next I have a KitKat, guys. I have gas problem, as I said. This is from DNV. School के बाजू में जो दुकान होता था ना, वहाँ पे 50 पैसे का मिलता था. I can vividly remember DNV is the one for me, even better than Natraj Jaljeera. Next I have some mouth freshener, flavored cardamom seeds, Baba Ilaichi. I always carry mouth freshener no matter what it is. I feel like it's just a harassment for the person sitting next to me and I don't want to harass that person. Then I have Ajwain. Dairy Milk Lolly. शायद किसी के पास छुट्टा नहीं था तभी उन्होंने दिया था. I completely forgot. When did I buy it? Then I have obviously a mask. I completely hate wearing masks because it's just too much, and if you wear specs, you know what am I talking about. I'm literally blind without my specs. So specs ke saath, this is the worst combo that I can have. have. My mother was having a surgery. I was going to hospital daily. That time they were not allowing other people without the mask. That's when I started carrying this mask and it became a habit once again. I have a sunglass with me. I don't have any designer whatsoever sunglass. ये सब मैंने Amazon से ही purchase किया है mostly. Amazon का जो sunglasses है वो मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद है. I'm just gonna show you how it looks on me. This is how it looks. I love a good big frame because I do have a big face. Even my specs which I wear on a day-to-day basis, that is also like very big. This is how it looks, like very big. I'm a big fan of big frames. I used to wear lens and on top of that I used to wear sunglass. Funny thing, but I cannot even wear lens anymore. I have tried to purchase a lens with my power, but there is no availability, at least in India. That's what I have seen. So yeah, I have another pouch, guys. It's also another survival kit. It's actually from Bioderma, by the way. चलो एक एक करके देखते हैं what do we have in this pouch. I'm gonna show you. I have a scrunchie, a Korean hair clip. I actually got it from Meesho. Then I do have a comb. I need to run my comb through my hair in every 2 minutes. It's not plastic, it's wood. I try to use wood combs because मैंने सुना है कि वो थोड़ा सा अच्छा होता है बालों के लिए. Then I do have a pad. If I don't need it, someone might need it. As a girl, I always carry a pad. I also have few panty liners. Once again, it's a necessity as a girl. White discharge is something जो आपको पता भी नहीं चलता है कि कब शुरू होने वाला है, क्योंकि पेन वगैरह तो कुछ होता नहीं है. पैड से भी ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है मेरे लिए. पैंटी लाइनर्स भी अगर हो ना तो मैं वो भी लगा के 2 मिनट सर्वाइव कर सकती हूँ. दुकान पे जाके पैड्स वगैरह ले सकती हूँ. So it's kind of like a survival thing for me. I do have a diary. I used to write everything down on diary when I was young. On my day-to-day schedule, what used to happen. But then I stopped because Indian household में प्राइवेसी नहीं है गाइस. एक दिन मम्मी के हाथ लग गया वो डायरी एंड इट वाज नॉट अ वेरी गुड स्टोरी टू टेल यू गाइस. आई स्टॉप्ड राइटिंग डायरीज बट नाउ आई कैरी द स्मॉल डायरी जस्ट टू राइट थिंग्स डाउन इफ समथिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दिस इज फ्रॉम SJ March, by the way. This is Shreya Jain's brand. This is not PR, by the way. I believe she does not do marketing. It comes with a pen and a pen holder, so you can just take it off, you can just write it down and you can just keep it back. I always carry it, especially during my trip. मुझे पता है कि इस खाने का जो नाम है ना वो मैं भूल जाऊंगी when I will be giving the voice over or when I will be editing that particular video. So that's why I just write it down. Next, what we have, then we have this Colgate Visible White Whitening Booster. It's not toothpaste. It's not a temporary solution, by the way. 14 days में आपको visible results दिखेंगे. You just have to keep it for like good 5-10 minutes. You cannot consume any food after washing it off for 30 minutes. So it's like very complicated, but it just shows the results. So you might wanna try it. Then I have a wooden spoon. शायद किसी रेस्टोरेंट से मैंने उठा लिया है. I don't know. My experience is screaming that I picked it up from Starbucks. Yeah, I did. Then I have a body shower gel. Then I have another clip. Oh, it's a clip. It's basically a cute clip. Anyways, guys, let's move on to the last product that we have in this pouch. That is a lens case. I'm already wearing a lens. Even though I don't wear power lens anymore, I still am into cosmetic lens. ऐसा नहीं है कि जब मैं अभी बैठी हूँ या मैं grocery shopping पे जा रही हूँ I wear lens. But if I'm going somewhere very significant, wearing proper outfit, proper makeup, then probably I just feel like maybe I should put on the lens. You know, it just amps up your look to 100x level. Then what do we have? Oh, I have this makeup remover wipes. This is basically a lip color remover wipes. Honestly, not the biggest fan, but I just bought it. That's why I carry it around. If I just need a quick fix, probably it can just serve. But currently, I'm just carrying it because I recently bought it. So मुझे बस जल्दी जल्दी इसको खत्म करना है because it is a recent purchase itself. I already used 5 or 6 wipes. I still have 14 more to go. हम इसको बस प्रणाम करके दूर भेज देंगे once I'm done with this. Okay, next I have this cute little baby. He'll be like, what is this? It's basically came with mouth freshener. But मुझे ये packaging इतना पसंद है. I was like, कुछ भी हो मैं carry करूँगी. I carry few rubber bands and I also carry a safety pin. You never know when you need it. And 2 of these tic tac clips like this. You know, बहुत ही सुंदर है. Plastic का ही है. I am a hoe for Vaseline, so I always have Vaseline with me. I used to carry Borolene with me, but ever since I started carrying Band-Aids, I just don't carry Borolene anymore because वो थोड़ा सा messy हो जाता है. एक बार Borolene leak हो गया था. This is the smaller one. You don't get it online. I bought it from the grocery store. In this chain, I do have some cash. लोग अभी change नहीं देना चाहते हैं, guys. Instead of giving change, they are like, why don't you do UPI? I have the QR code. So I'm like, क्या फायदा. That's all I had in this bag. I always wanted to do this what's in my bag and I finally did it. So yeah, that's about it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was very different on my channel for the very first time I did it. Let me know in the comments if you had fun watching this video or not. Then probably I will even experiment more with my content apart from makeup and skincare content. I just want to see how this works on my channel because I have no clue. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so whenever I will post a new video, you will get notified, and hopefully I will see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all so much. Bye.